Welcome to everyone. Let's see a problem related to domain and the range of the function, which is based on the GCSE examination. But it is also present in IGCSE, NCERT, and some other boards of examinations like state boards, CBSE, etc. Okay, let's go to the problem. Find the range for each of the following functions. This is a major question among all the questions which are we discussed in this session. So f of x equal to 1 over x by x minus 2. This is a question. What we have to do? The domain is given as x greater than 2. We have to find the range. Okay. Okay. Initially, we have to know one condition. What's the condition? Any function which has a numerator as 1 and x terms in the denominator, this function must be the decreasing function. Okay. How can we say it is decreasing function? It has some doubt now. So let's see that. Shall we see that? Yeah. So now, just take this example 1 over x minus 2. Can we substitute 2 for x? Yeah. X equal to 2. F of 2 equal to 2 minus 2. It's undefined. So it is not defined. So so that the domain is greater than 2. It is marked as greater than 2. So it is undefined. We can write it as undefined because 1 over 0 is not defined in mathematics. Okay, f of 3. F of 3 is 1 by 1. Then x equal to 4. F of 4. 1 over 4 minus 2 is 1 by 2. It is less than 1. Okay, for x is increasing, f of x is decreasing. So this function is said to be decreasing function. So range is also decreasing. Okay, decreasing and tends to, at a certain place it tends to, come on, next tends to, it is infinity, tends to negative infinity or 0. Okay, okay. Let's coming to this question. X is an increasing function. It is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For every x greater than 2, f of x must be positive. This is the first point we have to know. It is positive. And already we know that it is a decreasing function. And then at x equal to, that is 2.1 something else. Let's take it 2.1, that is 0.1. It is 1 by 10. One moment. If we take it as 2.1, 2.1 minus 2, 0.1. 0.1 is 1 over 10, which is 10. It's like that. Then 2.2 is 0.2, 2 by 10, it's 5. It's like that from increasing to decreasing towards at certain limit it tends to 0 because all the reciprocal function, that is 1 by x, is 0 to 1 maximum limit. It is as it is from infinity, so the range must be 0 comma infinity. Okay? Because every decreasing function, the lower limit must be 0. Okay, then go to the next question. G of x equal to 2 over x plus 3. From this we can know that x term is in denominator, so this is a decreasing function. This is our first observation. Second observation, domain is started from 1. So what would be the maximum value? Maximum value attains at minimum value in the domain because it is a decreasing function. So minimum value in the domain is 1. So at x equal to 1, what would be the function value? 1 plus 3. 2 by 1 plus 3, that is 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. So it is just initiate from half. That means at the come on at the minimum value of x in the domain, function takes the maximum value as 1 by 2. So the range is 0 to 1 by 2 closed bracket, because 1 is included in x domain. So in range 1 by 2 is included, and the function is decreasing function. So the domain reaches 0 at the minimum. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next problem. H of x equal to 1 over x minus 2, 1 plus 2. Here, the maximum value of the domain is 2. Okay, let me do. Yeah. So, this is also a decreasing function because denominator has a x term. And then 1 by x minus 1 is tends to 0 when x tends to infinity. So lower domain is 0. So 0 plus 2 is 2. So approaches 2 when x tends to infinity. So lower limit of range is 2. It is just approaches, so it is not included in the range. Then what would be the maximum value of the range? That means at x equal to 2, what would be the value of h of x? So that is 2 minus 1 plus 2, that is 1 by 1 plus 2, that is 3. So maximum value is 3. So the range is 2 comma 3. Okay. Shall we proceed next question? Next question is g of x is equal to square root of x minus 2. The domain is given as 6 to the 11. Then it's easily we can do that. We just do the subtraction of 2 on both the sides. That is 4 less than or equal to x minus 2 less than 9. Then shall we take the square root on both sides? Yeah. Square root 4 is 2. Square root x minus 2. Square root this is 3. Sorry. Here in the range we no need to put equal sign at the maximum because in domain 11 is not included. So the range is closed in closed interval 2 comma open interval 3. Okay. Then next problem, 2 minus root x. 2 minus root x. So when x is increasing, minus x is increasing, root x is also something increasing, and minus root x must be decreasing. So 2 minus root x is decreasing function. Okay. So at the x equal to 4, 2 minus square root 4 equal to 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Then shall we proceed with at x equal to 9? Yeah, square root 9. So minus 9 3 square. So 2 minus 3, it is minus 1. This is the less than 0. So it is up to going to infinity because as x tends to infinity, root x tends to infinity. This implies minus root x tends to minus infinity. So 2 minus root x tends to 2 at at reaches to minus infinity. For us x tends to infinity. So minus infinity comma the maximum value is 0. This would be the range of the given function. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.